jumped over these double baked shoes.
Oh, ty tu, здоров.
你是邪恶银渐层吗？对。
What? No. I...
In there, show it to me. Show it to me.
You're not very nice.
Oh my god!
No. How those are my Cheetos!
How's motherhood treating you?
Hello? Phoenix?
Oh god!
Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here. It's pistachio ice cream. That's your cat!
Oh.
You got some right here. Oh my god.
I know you're about to bite me.
Permiso.
You're done.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься?
Roundabout cowboy.
My cat fucking stuck in the fucking floor. Get. Oh, she really stuck, man.
March 3rd, my youngest daughter, Barbara, was...
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him.
Oh my god!
Are you comfortable?
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
We set aside this area as a national monument in 1909 to save the declining.
Oh!
Kyle. Stop. Kyle!
Are you okay?
Aquí, amiga.
Oh. To you too.
Whoa!
Oh my word.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
pistachio ice cream.
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toast. Get him. Oh my God.
Hello? Where did he go?
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Your brother's so happy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, he's so good. Oh!
Come on.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. There's you coming. Oh, my God.
You're adopted.
Oh, I see it.
Make the right choice, okay? Hey, 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 hey. That's not it.
Where's the catnip?
Dude.